Need to update your personal information with Younited Pay? It's a common question, and we're here to walk you through the process. Whether you've moved, changed your phone number, or have new bank details, keeping your information current is crucial for a smooth experience. Unlike some services where you can just log in and change everything yourself, Younited Pay has a specific process to ensure the security of your account. This is especially important when dealing with financial and personal data. To make any changes to your contact information or other personal data, you'll need to reach out directly to the Younited Pay customer service team. They have a dedicated department for these types of requests. The best way to get started is by contacting them via email. You can send your request to service-client@younited-pay.fr. In your email, be sure to clearly state what information you need to update. For example, I need to change my address, or my phone number has changed to new number. Make sure to include your full name and any relevant account information so they can easily locate your file. They may require some form of verification to confirm your identity, so be prepared to provide that information when they respond. If you prefer to speak to someone directly, you can also contact them by phone. The number is 01.76.49.04.65. Calling can be a great option if you have a complex request or just want to talk through the process with a representative. Once you've submitted your request, the Younited Pay team will handle the update and let you know when the changes have been made. It's a straightforward process, and they'll guide you through any necessary steps to make sure your information is accurate and secure. Having up-to-date information on your account helps prevent any issues with payments, communications, or future transactions. So, whether it's a new email or a different bank account, reaching out to customer service is the key to keeping your Younited Pay profile in order. And that's it. A simple and secure way to update your personal information with Younited Pay.